Okay, so for this week, we're going to be working on subtraction. So we're going to be taking away. And we're going to take away a one-digit number from a two-digit number. Remember, a one-digit number, there's just one number. And a two-digit number, there's two numbers that make one whole number. So 18 has a 1 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. All right, now let's start. So the first thing that we're going to do is set up our tens and our ones. So it's always going to be the first thing we do, set up our tens and our ones. Now let's put 18 in our tens and ones. So 1's in the tens place, 8 is in the ones place. Now remember, 3 is just a one-digit number, so there's nothing in the tens place. And we have a 3 in the ones place. And we're going to be subtracting 18 minus 3. So let's start with our ones. We always have to start with our ones. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to take away 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count how many I have left. Remember, I only count the ones that I didn't cross out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. And as we know, any number minus 0 is going to be that same number. So our answer is 15. So 18 minus 3 is 15. 15. Next one. 25 minus 2. First thing we're going to do, set up our tens and ones. Tens and ones. Now we're going to put 25 in our tens and ones. 2 in the tens place, 1 in the 5 in the ones place, and 2 is a one-digit number. 2. Ooh, Mr. B didn't give himself enough space, but 5 minus 2 is 3, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So our answer should be 23. Now, you're going to want to make sure you have enough space. You don't want to make the same mistake Mr. B made. Okay. So we're going to set up our tens and ones. 17, 1 in the tens place, 7 in the ones place, nothing in the tens place for 2. Okay. Now let's do 7 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to take away how many? 2. So we're going to cross out 2. 1, 2. Now we count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 0, 1. Our answer is 15. So this is what we're going to be doing for this week. Remember, first thing you do, set up your tens and ones. Make sure you put your numbers in the tens and ones correctly. The tens place goes here, ones place goes here, and then you subtract. Now, you can either use your fingers or you can draw the dots. Remember, when you're counting how many you have left, you only count the ones that aren't crossed out. Never count the ones that are crossed out. I'm going to post some questions for you to try on your own, and we can go over them during our mini lesson.